Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Genius Under the Table. Drama, family secrets, and a KGB spy in his own kitchen. How will Yevgeny ever fulfill his parents' dream that he becomes a national hero when he doesn't even have his own room? In the tiny apartment he shares with his ballet-obsessed mother, poetry-loving father, continually outraged grandmother, and safely talented brother, all Yevgeny has is his little pencil, the underside of a massive table, and the doodles that could change everything. The incredible author and artist recounts in hilarious detail his childhood during Cold War Russia as a young boy desperate to understand his place in his family. This book recently won the amazing Sydney Taylor Book Honor for its charming and comic timing, and I highly recommend it if you are looking for something funny and historical. The next book is Black Boy Joy. In this incredible book, Black boys explore their communities, families, space, and time as they come of age and grow in confidence and understanding. Black Boy Joy is picking out a fresh first day of school outfit, saving the universe in an epic intergalactic race, finding your voice and your rhymes during tough times, flying on your skateboard like nobody's watching, and so much more. Celebrate the joys of Black boyhood with stories from 17 fantastic Black authors in this collection of stories, comics, and poems about the power of joy and the wonders of Black boyhood. A perfect choice if you're looking for some humor and a heavy dose of happiness during Black History Month. The last book I'll tell you about is Across the Desert. 12-year-old Jolene spends every day she can at the library watching her favorite live stream, The Desert Aviator, where 12-year-old Addie Earhart shares her adventures flying an ultralight plane over the desert. While watching this daring girl fly through the sky, Jolene can dream of what it would be like to fly with her, far away from her own troubled home life where her mother struggles with a narcotic addiction. And Addie, who is grieving the loss of her father, finds solace in her online conversations with Jolene, her biggest and only fan. Then, one day, it all goes wrong. Addie's engine abruptly stops, and Jolene watches in helpless horror as the ultralight plummets to the ground and the video goes dark. Jolene knows that Addie won't survive long in the extreme summer desert heat. With no one to turn to for help and armed with only a hand-drawn map and a stolen cell phone, it's up to Jolene to find a way to save the Desert Aviator. Packed with adventure, heart, survival, and friendship, this book speaks of the hope and strength within each of us. I highly recommend this story if you like action and adventure and enjoyed reading the insignificant events in the life of a cactus. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!